Alright everybody, so I'm going to give you a quick tutorial. This is like down and dirty, nothing, nothing crazy, but just a quick video to see if you have a bad forward gear or a reverse gear. And this can also encompass a bad dog clutch as well. Keep in mind, I have my case already separated here. You could easily do the same by just this process I'm about to show you, by just twisting your dry shaft. But I already did that earlier, and I already separated the case. So just keep in mind, you can do the same exact step by twisting it. But anyway, so right now, as you can see if I can do this with one hand. That's neutral, right? So I'm gonna twist the dry shaft, and you'll notice nothing is spinning back there. We're gonna pull up. When you pull up on the shaft, that's your forward gear. I'm gonna twist the dry shaft here, and as I'm turning it, you'll see that it's spinning as well. Let's go back to neutral. Spin it, same direction. Nothing. Okay, so now what we're going to do is push it all the way down. Alright, hear that click? That's reverse. Same direction. Take a look at that. Nothing. So there you go, folks. And keep in mind, like I said, you can spin this, do it the same way if you have your out drive out, but that's the easiest way to tell if you got reverse gears, or as you see, you only have two different options. You got all the way up, which is your forward, neutral, or all the way down, which is your reverse. And we got nothing, so that is why I'm going to be putting a new reverse gear in this one.